double cheese, double salsa, Mexican style breakfast.
Well, perfect. And now what we're gonna do is take this half of the cheesy tortilla and put it right on top. And now I've got fresh kidney beans right here, and these are gonna go right on top here. We've got these beans pressed right into the cheese so they stick. And I'm gonna come over here to our egg saucy cheese tortilla, give it a flip. All right, and now I've got salsa verde, and we're gonna go right over the eggs here, those beautiful eggs, right? And now we're gonna take our cheesy bean tortilla, and now guacamole. All right, and now we've got our sausages here. We're gonna stack these babies up, and now we're gonna cut them. We're gonna cut these into small pieces so we can spread it over our tortilla and get full coverage. All right, this is all nice and chopped up, and now we're gonna finish with a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and now we're gonna let that cheese melt for a couple of minutes. Now that the cheese is melted over our sausage and it's nice and cooked right on top of our guacamole, we wanna get all that cheesy sausage right on there for full coverage. And now we've got fresh chives. We want to finish this off with a nice little pop of onion, and that gives it a little crunch and some color. And now we've got our nachos. We'll put them right on our plancha here to toast them up. Okay, back with our cheddar and our mozzarella cheeses. And we're just going to alternate with mozzarella and cheddar, getting some nice full coverage to get some cheesy nachos. And now we've got salsa verde and salsa roja. And now we take our spatulas and we mix. Now we've got all the flavors incorporated in our nachos. And we're going to just scoop it right onto our platter here. Double cheese, double salsa nachos. We're gonna hit it with sour cream, fresh chives. Got our nachos with our double stacked quesadilla. Let's cut into this and see how it tastes, because I'm starving and I've been waiting to try this. We got the meat in there, the egg, beans. Let's give it a shot.